setup. We've got lighting and stuff for ambience, and hopefully it looks pretty aesthetic on camera at 1080p and 24 frames per second. It's supposed to look super cinematic. I don't know. My first go with this, but we'll see how it turns out. Anyways, this weekend we shot Eli Tacker's FK8 Type R. Very pretty car. It's got a lot of super functional mods on it. Nothing over the top, but I mean, I guess with our cars, they all look over the top, but he tracks this car. He's taken it to the Dragon several times, just generally has fun with it. Car is very, very nicely done. He's super OCD just like me, probably more than me, but we'll jump into the mods now. For the exterior, he's got a VERUS Engineering front splitter. He's got VERUS Engineering front canards and a big old APR GTC 300, like 67-inch span GT wing on the back. His interior is pretty spiffy too. He's got a Mugen dry carbon steering wheel, an ACUITY shifter assembly, Checkered Sports Stainless shift knobs, Honda's factory performance red floor mats, Broadway 350 Convex mirror so you can see everybody who's behind you, even though he drives a Honda. There's not many people behind him. Anyways, for brakes he's got Motul RVF 600 brake fluid, he's got stainless lines, and he's got super loud Hawk HP Plus pads. As far as suspension goes, he's got Eibach springs, got Eibach sway bars, Whiteline adjustable endlinks, lower control lines in the rear that you will definitely see on camera, HKS Ligamax, I guess that's how you say it, but sound level is nice and mellow until you get into the higher RPM. Engine's pretty basic. I think he does it like I do with the Subaru, so he's just trying to keep it alive pretty much. The FK8 motor might be more stout than the EJ, but he's pretty much got his Renhard Industries plug for him. Grounding kit, he's got a Renhard Industries aero separator, Mishimoto catch can, classic HKS super sequential blow-off valve. So his wheel package is pretty special. He's got Enkei Ragin 18 by 9.5 plus 35 wheels. I think he took this wheel and tire package from a Honda racing team that he talks to quite frequently. We're both on RE71Rs and same size. So his car is significantly wider than an STI. I mean, we park side by side. I mean, his car is huge. So that's saying a lot that we run the same size tires, 265, 35, 18. He started with Hondas in 98, just like all of us, just dipped our toes in the JDM, and then all of a sudden we fell head first into it, and now we're in there super deep. Like a lot of us, he grew up watching Option Video, Initial D, I mean, standard issue stuff for all of us, but it resonates deeply for all of us, and we kept building our cars with those in mind. This dude will sit underneath his car and clean his lower control arms and clean the exhaust and everything. His car is spotless every time I see it, inside and out. Fair warning before we get into the video, it wasn't supposed to rain until like 5 o'clock, but it's Tennessee weather, so I got there to do the shoot and it started raining almost immediately. So Eli was my little umbrella girl, had an umbrella as I was filming right behind me. So yeah, without further ado, let's see Eli's Type R. Yeah, so Eli's got a history of super clean Hondas. I've got a bunch of Honda friends. I don't know how that happened, but most of my friends have Hondas, and most of my track friends have Hondas. S2000s, Civics. That's it. S2000s and Civics pretty much. But why? They're super cheap. Yeah. If you break them, it's like $2 to fix them. You can track all day. It's like perfect seat time car. So now that you've seen this Type R, let me know in the comment section what you think about it. Comment below. Stay tuned for the next episode.